Welcome to my channel. This is Vysor. My channel is a go-to destination for you for trending digital technical skills and technology hacks. Whether you are looking to learn new trending digital skills or you want to increase your productivity or you want to stay ahead in tech world, I got you covered with an easy to go tutorials and latest technology hacks. Subscribe to my channel, share my videos, and enhance your digital skills. Let me take us through what we're going to do today. In today's hack, we're going to discuss how you can control your smart device from your PC. So what I mean by that is you might have a reason to mirror the screen of your tablet or your phone, any smart device on your screen. Probably you want to demonstrate to people how to navigate through an app on your phone. And this you want to demonstrate to more than two people. It needs to be so difficult for them, for three of you to gather and be looking at the screen of your smart device. So what you can do is to mirror the screen of your phone on your PC so that it will be easier for multiple people to see what you are doing at the same time. So when you connect your phone to the PC, you can then project the screen of your PC and everybody will be able to see how you navigate through the particular application you want to demonstrate. This is actually useful when you are taking people through how to use a specific app, or there is a reason for you to mirror the screen of your phone. So what we're going to do is I'm going to demonstrate what will be the endpoint of this particular hack that we're trying to discuss. After then, we'll move into the practical class. We'll do it and you see how. So what you are seeing on the screen is what we're trying to achieve. The first thing is to connect the smart device. Since you're using Vysor with a USB cord, this will connect your phone to your PC. And after that, you'll be able to mirror the screen of your phone on your desktop. If you look at my smart device, if you look at my phone, if I navigate anything through here, you're going to see the same thing you are seeing. You can see the icons you are seeing directly on my tablet is what you are seeing on my screen. If I navigate through the apps, you are going to see same thing on my desktop. So this is very useful. Whenever we have a reason to mirror or control our phone through the personal computer. So I can actually demonstrate how to use any of the apps on my phone. Because if I click any one, it's going to show me exactly what I'm seeing on my phone's screen is exactly what will be, seeing on the personal computer. So how do we do this? It's a very simple thing and it involves simple steps. However, it's important I mention to you, apart from using, this screen to control my phone, I can actually keep this and navigate through I can actually keep this and navigate through from my computer. I can use the keyboard and all that to navigate. So let me rotate it so that you see, it will maintain the same portrait. So I can actually navigate using the mouse. You can see this is the mouse of my computer and I can select any of the app using the mouse. So you can see through the cursor, I can go back from here and I can actually use the keyboard to do anything. That's the keyboard of my PC to control my phone. For instance, let me navigate. When I navigate from here, I can go to a browser from here. Let me use Chrome, for instance. And from here, I can actually type whatever I want to type using the keyboard of my computer. So you can see I have a full control, you see. I have a full control of my smart device from my personal computer. You can see I can go in app space, I can do anything using the keyboard. So you can actually navigate using either the keyboard, the mouse of your PC, or you use this smart device. But you'll be able to control, actually, you'll be able to control your phone from your. We are going to do this step by steps. This actually involves just 5 steps that you need to take. And the first step rather, is to install the app, the Vysor, on both devices. I'll be taking it one after the other. So when we complete the first step, go into the second step. But let me just highlight the steps so that we'll be taking them one after the other. The first step is to install the application, the Vysor, on both devices. That is both on my Android phone and on my personal computer. Then I'll go to the setting of my phone and enable what we call USB debugging. So once it's enabled on my tablet, then I will connect my Android phone with my personal computer using the cable. If I'm using the other one, AirDroid, I don't need the cable, but I'll have to connect both devices together. Then I'll launch the Vysor on both the app. And from there, I'll be able to control my PC. You can see the 5 steps are very straightforward. Download and install the Vysor application on both devices. Enable, USB debugging on your phone or your tablet. Launch the Vysor on both devices. Then connect both devices using the USB cable. Then you are there and you'll be able to control what you need to control. So let's see. I want to download the application on my tablet. So I'll look for Play Store in case of Android, and I'll click here. So when I'm there, I can simply go to search. When I come to search, I'll type the name of the application we're going to use. And like I say the name is what? Vysor. And then you can see once you start typing Vysor, you can see the Vysor. And it's bringing so many options for me. I don't know if you can see this there. So you can see Vysor app for Android, Vysor Android control PC on PC. So I'll click Vysor app control on PC, and you can see it's showing me the Vysor. This is the Vysor, but because I've installed it, that's why it's showing me. You can see it's showing me here. Otherwise, it should have asked me to install it. So this is the icon so that you know which particular one we're talking about. This is the icon of the app. So you can click install here, and then it will be able to install it on your tablet. That is the first one. So you install it on your tablet, and after the installation on your tablet, the next thing is the installation on our device, on our personal computer. So let's go and see how we can get it installed, how we can download it and install it on our. What I've been able to show you is how to install the Vysor application on your phone. Now we're going to install it on our personal computer. I'm using a laptop, so I'm going to use it. But the first thing you should remember is you need internet access. You can see mine is connected. You can see the internet access. Then I can launch any of the browser from my PC. I want to use this guy, and I'll load through the Google. Then I'll search for the app, and it's called Vysor. So you can see Vysor download. Simple. I'll do this, and I'll go to Vysor download. I'll click on this link, and it brings me here. So from here, I can select which of the windows I have, as in which of operating system I'm using on my PC. If it is Windows, I go for this. If it is Mac, if it is Linux, or for a browser. Okay, but the one I'm going to download, because the operating system I have on my PC is Windows. So I'll click on Windows, and you can see it brings me here to download. So once I click download, the download will start. and then Windows again. You can see it's bringing me to a page and it's downloading. Okay, I have this downloaded already, and then but this is how you download it. You wait until when it finish downloading, and when it finish downloading, you can go to all download. You can see the Vysor. I have it here. So I have it here. Okay, let me resume the download then. So that it seems I've moved it. So let's download it and see how it goes. So you allow it to download. It to take a little time to download. You can see small minutes left, 42, 36 seconds, and this is how you download the application on your PC. Wait patiently for the apps to finish downloading, and you can see it's downloading. So let's wait for it to complete so that we can install it. So what we're doing at the moment is downloading the app. So we can see it's showing completed and it's asking me to open the file. So I click on it and it will open the file for us. So it's opening the file. You can see the file is loading. You can see my cursor shows exactly. So you are actually seeing this because I have it installed already on my device. Otherwise, it will have shown me a setup where I'll just click install and I'll have it installed and then launch it on my system. Okay, you just you click off next, install next button for it too. It's not something special, it's not something difficult for anybody to do. Okay, so this is how to do it, and we've installed it now. We have the Vysor installed on our personal computer, and we have it installed already on our uh, on our having installed the Vysor successfully on my smart device and also on my desktop on my personal computer. The next thing is to set to enable the USB debugging on my phone. And how do I do that? I'll come to the phone here and I will go to the setting. So instead of scrolling up and down for setting, I can just search for setting. And once I click setting, you can see it shows on my list. So I'll click setting. So when I click setting, it's loading. And from the setting, I'll scroll up to look for USB debugging. So you can see I'm scrolling, trying to, I'll go to, you can see here, I'll go to developer option. And from developer options, you see, I'll scroll down to USB debugging. You can see the USB debugging here. This is the USB debugging. I have my, so yes, so I'll go to this. You can see I have my USB debugging, so I will toggle this to on the USB debugging. It should be out. And the moment I do that, you'll see it's showing this. So that is how to enable um, the USB debugging on your tablet. Go to the setting, go to developer option, and in the developer option, you see USB, enable USB debugging. You can see this developer option, and then you'll see when you scroll down, you'll see USB debugging. Then you can toggle the button to on or to enable the USB debugging. Once that is done, the next thing is to connect, to take your cable, USB cable to connect the tablet to the personal computer. And when you receive a prompt to allow, that's for permission, just click allow so that you have your PC connected to your phone. And you can see I'm able to navigate through my phone, controlling the phone from my PC. So with this, we have come to the end of the hack in this tutorial. But just to summarize what we have done so far. What we did is to demonstrate how you can actually control your Android device from your personal computer. That is how you can mirror your phone on your PC. And the steps we follow are: one, we download the Vysor because we use the app, the Vysor in this case, and then we download and install Vysor on both devices. That is on the phone as well as on the PC. Then we go to the setting of the phone to enable USB debugging. So we'll go to the setting, we go to the developer option, and we toggle the button for USB debugging. And the next thing we do is we connected our phone to our PC using a USB cable. And from there, we launch the Vysor on both devices, and we're able to mirror the screen of our phone, or we're able to control our Android phone from our PC. So we've come to the end of this, and thank you for watching. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do that for further notification. Share for others to benefit as well, and stay with me because I have so many hacks that I'm going to discuss. Part of them is how you can, retrieve a deleted file, or you can restore a deleted file from your desktop or from your PC, and so many other ones. Please, for more digital technical skills, for more technology hacks, please stay with us. And you can contact us for ICT consultation. Thank you, and kindly subscribe. See you next time.